Hi there, this is Fixed It. It's really annoying when you've got this VAX SlimVac cordless and you've cleaned out the inside and it's got zero suction. Okay, so the obvious place to look then is the filter at the back, and we can take the filter out. You can pull off this filter, so I'll just clean this again, clean the inside, and then we can see that there's quite a bit of stuff inside the filter. I'll just go and clean that out. So I've just used a wet and dry vac just to vac out that. So now by all accounts, if I stick that back on there, it's that way. Okay, so I'll put that back on. So there we have it. So let's insert the filter and see if we've got any more suck. Here we go. No, for some reason we're still missing suction. So now what I need to do is to have a look inside and see if I open that up, because obviously everything's going in here, around the inside. All the big bits will be stopped by the filter. The air's then coming up inside and being sucked out through the exhaust and then out through this filter to catch all the dust, so the dust doesn't come in the room. But if we look inside, if I can get the light about right, I think you can see that in there there's an awful lot of dog hair and other stuff. So somehow it's managed to get up and through the back. So the first thing I need to do before I open up this is to take out the battery. So I'm going to press the battery release and pull the large battery out. So now the thing is safe to undo, and there's a series of screws here. So what I'm going to do is to undo those screws and to have a better look inside.